Bengal 2016 Assembly vote share in terms of phase 4. TMC at 46%, CPM 20%, BJP 12%, Congress 7%. It'll be interesting to see whether the BJP can gain ground from this 12% to catch up with the TMC's 46% that we saw in 2016. Let's go to the seat share, phase 4. 44 out of 44 is what we're talking about. TMC at 39, CPM 2, BJP just 1, and Congress just 1.
As has been the case in the past 3 phases, the allegations between the two primary contenders in the fray, the TMC and the Bharatiya Janata Party, are flying thick and fast this morning as well. Now, the TMC has alleged that BJP goons, quote unquote, are not allowing their polling agents, in fact, to enter several booths. They allege in the Cooch Behar area, district of Cooch Behar, where 9 assembly segments are in fact polling today. The TMC also claimed that BJP cadres are creating a ruckus at the polling booths. Mamata Banerjee's party, in fact, has also written to the Election Commission over the issue, urging them to take action. Meanwhile, hitting back at the TMC, BJP candidate from Taliganj, Babul Supriyo, called these allegations baseless and said it was the TMC goons who have been creating ruckus.
हमारी पूरा प्रचार हो चुकी है, लेकिन देखिए फिर भी आज जो टेंशन जो चारों तरफ मीडिया में भी है वो यही है कि तृणमूल कहाँ बूथ कैप्चर करने की कोशिश करेगी, कहाँ हिंसा करेगी, जो हमेशा वो करते रहे, उनका डीएनए में है। हमारे साथ देखिए ये सब मिलिट्री ये वो सिक्योरिटी वगैरह चलता है, तो मुझे थोड़ी सी शर्म आती है। वो लोग एकदम आम लेवल पे काम कर रहे हैं, बट द इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब। पिछले जो हमने 3 फेजेस में देखा है, तो टुडे पीपल हमने 80% से ज़्यादा हमने मतदान देखी है in spite of Trinamool violence.
Well, there is a major face-off which is brewing in West Bengal as well against the backdrop of this 4th phase of elections. This over the allegation made by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to, in fact, the allegations that she's been making against the Central Armed Police Forces and asking voters to gherao the Central Forces. The Election Commission, of course, has sent a notice to her to which she has to reply by 11 a.m. this morning. The Union Home Minister accused Didi of trying to spread anarchy. Here's our report.
অনেক সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স এসছে, সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সকে তো আমি তো রেসপেক্ট করি, কিন্তু আমি ওই কমান্ডান্টদের রেসপেক্ট করি না যিনি বিজেপির হয়ে গিয়ে এলাকায় মা বোনদের পেটান, ভয় দেখান, আর গিয়ে বলে ভোট দেনে মাপ যাও। একটাও শুনবেন না।
Days after her explosive allegations against Central Forces raised political temperatures, Mamata Banerjee was on Friday served a notice by the Election Commission.
অনেক সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স এসছে, সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সকে তো আমি তো রেসপেক্ট করি, কিন্তু আমি ওই কমান্ডান্টদের রেসপেক্ট করি না যিনি বিজেপির হয়ে গিয়ে এলাকায় মা বোনদের পেটান, ভয় দেখান, আর গিয়ে বলে ভোট দেনে মাপ যাও। একটাও শুনবেন না।
Referring to her address at Cooch Behar, the Election Commission said the Chief Minister's remark had the potential of creating a rift between the state police and Central Forces. Union Home Minister Amit Shah snipped at Didi for her remarks on the forces during a rally.
लोगों को अराजकता की ओर ले जा रही, चुनाव को शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से समाप्त नहीं होने देना उनका उद्देश्य है, या फिर हर बार की तरह रैगिंग से चुनाव जीतने का उद्देश्य है।
Even as the poll panel asked her to explain her stand by 11 a.m. on Saturday, Mamata leveled a sensational murder conspiracy charge at a rally in North 24 Parganas, evoking a strong reaction from Shah.
এত টাকা এর থেকে একটা মিটিং এ কত টাকা নেন? আমি এই সব কথা বলার পরে আমি জানি আপনারা আমাকে খুন করবার প্ল্যান করবেন। আমার পাটা চোট করে দিয়েছেন, এবার খুন করার প্ল্যান করবেন, আমার যায় আসে না। আমি যতদিন বাঁচবো আমি বাঘের বাচ্চার মতো লড়বো। এবং যদি কেউ প্রতিবাদ না করে ভয়ে চুপচাপ থাকে, আমি করবই, আমি করব, আমি লড়বো, আমি করব, আমি জিতবো।
तृणमूल कांग्रेस का फ्रस्ट्रेशन उनके व्यवहार से, उनके भाषणों से, उनकी बातचीत से स्पष्ट रूप से दिखाई पड़ता है।
BJP President JP Nadda too launched a blistering attack on the Trinamool Congress chief.
जो हारे हुए खिलाड़ी हैं उनके वक्तव्य हो सकते हैं, ये उनकी बौखलाहट बोल रही है, उनमें जो कड़वाहट है वो निकल करके आ रही है, क्योंकि वो चुनाव हार चुकी है।
the battle for Bengal has only reached the halfway mark. The charges and the counter charges are only going to intensify till the last vote is cast.
After her repeated attacks against the central forces accusing them of alleged biased behavior, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's latest incitement of voters asking them to gherao central forces has been the last nail in the coffin for the Election Commission. The poll body has accused the Chief Minister of demoralizing the central forces, while the Home Minister has accused her of incitement to anarchy. With camera person Sajid Alam, Polami Saha in Kolkata for India Today. Right, my colleague Anupam Mishra is now joining me live from Bali, which of course is witnessing a very interesting triangular contest because you cannot discount the left candidate from that seat, Dipshita Dhar. Anupam, bring us up to speed with the developments on the ground. How is the voting process going on this morning from Bali, and of course the contest that we're witnessing from Bali as well?
Yes, Palmi, we are here in Lilwa, and this is the booth where the BJP candidate Vaishali Dalmia has just stepped in, and she is alleging that the BJP agent has been barred from this booth, and she's gone inside. And we just spoke to her, and she's telling us that she will be here till their agents will sit inside the booth. So here is the Vaishali Dalmia, and Vaishali Dalmia is the candidate from BJP. Dipshita Dhar is the candidate, young candidate from CPM, and the lines which you can see from the morning, lot of women's, lot of men are here to vote, to cast their votes. Follow me.
Right, Anupam, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with those developments as Bali goes to vote today as well in the fourth phase of those elections. We're slipping into a short break. Stay tuned to India Today. We'll keep bringing you all the live updates from Battleground Bengal.